All right, guys. It's cold. Look at this. This is beautiful. I'm getting snow in my eyes. But check this out. Apparently it feels like it's -2 outside. This is the coldest I have ever experienced. This is miserable. I don't know how people in the north do this. This is just awful. Look at these giant snowflakes floating around in this air, dude. This is insane. It's so cold. The day after Valentine's Day, it's February 15th. It is currently about 6 degrees. With the wind chill and everything, it feels like -13. I am real cold. And it has just been the craziest couple days for weather. Like, it is unimaginable how cold it is. I don't understand how people in the north do this thing all the time. Like, feeling like -12, -13 is insane. I think the high lately has been in the single digits, which I've never experienced before. Up until this week, the coldest I've ever experienced was, I think, 18 degrees one time a few years ago. We had an absolute ice storm, which I'll try to put pictures up right here to show you guys that, because that was breathtaking. But one of my goals for the super duper cold today is I'm going to try and walk across this little body of water. I call this Lake Lindsay after my sweet, but we're gonna walk out on it a little bit and we're gonna see if I fall in. So stay tuned for that, boys. All right, I got the spicy senorita with me. Lindsay, say hi to the folks. Are you slipping already? We're not even on ice yet. Oh,
it was.
This is gonna go well.
This is all ice under here.
A little bit.
There's no ice in here.
Golly, it's beautiful. You're beautiful.
Thanks.
All right. Well, back here at old Lake Lindsay. The snow? Yeah, it is. I wore tennis shoes because I'm an idiot and I want my feet to freeze off. Woo! This is fun. You good?
That's a hole. Oh God. This is sketch.
A little bit. This is fun though. We're gonna see. Dude, we're over the water right now. Right here. Let me see if I can dig out. Oh, no, this looks like it's mud. This isn't the water yet.
It's over there.
Right there. Right there is the water. I guess. Oh. Oh, hang on, boys. Oh, yeah. There. Nope, this is just mud. What'd you step on? Oh. Oh, yeah. That's ice. Oh, yeah. Look at this.
Is it just mud?
Oh, there's nothing under it. It's just like...
It's just ice over mud. Oh.
This is amazing. How's the snow?
So thick.
It is very thick over here.
Oh my gosh.
It's beautiful though.
Wow, it's so fluffy.
Yeah?
Oh.
Do that again. This is honestly so beautiful right here. Look at that snow. Look how it glistens.
I know. It's so glittery. Like, I've never seen snow be this glittery.
Whoa.
But you won't.
You won't, you wimp.
Wait, hold the camera. You go over there.
Alright, it's already recording.
Alright.
Are you hearing this?
Yes. Alright, Jamesy Wamesy is going across the ice.
Brave indeed. Brave or stupid. I can hear it crunching. Am I in frame? Are you even like focusing on
Yes. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's so cold, babe. Is that ice under you? Like water ice? Or is that mud still? Don't bounce on it. Oh gosh. No. Here, we should have thrown a rock. Like a heavy rock first.
Winsy, make me proud. We get that rock. Come on, don't be a wimp. That's just mud. Yeah. Hurry up, I think I'm getting frostbite.
What?
I'm just kidding. Oh, oh. Come on, keep going. Get out of this wind if I can. It's frigid. Oh, quit being a baby. Keep going. You almost got the rock. You're close.
Hear it?
It's crackling. Come on.
You're probably overwater at this point. A little bit. You want me to do it? You wimp. Try it. It's not gonna break everything. You'll be alright. Oh, you wimp. Come back, I'll do it.
And we're recording. All right, I'm gonna go get the rock because Lindsay's a big old wimp.
The rock is glued into the ice. So as soon as he tries to get this, it's gonna break everything around him. But he thinks he can get it out. We'll see. Is it in the ice? Oh man. It's almost like I said that.
Yeah, it's stuck. Dude, come out here. This is fun.
Dude, no. Don't do that.
Why?
You're crazy.
You want to hear something sketchy? Oh, there is water under all this. Look at that. Golly. Ooh! Got my toes a little wet that time. Ooh. Didn't crack it. It's slick, boys. This is amazing. Ooh. I always wanted to learn how to ice skate. I don't think... Look, it's already freezing on my shoe. I don't think this is the spot to learn how to ice skate though. Seems a little rough. Look at that. Nice, all the way through. But look at how beautiful that is. All the way down. That's amazing. Check that out, all the little bubbles in it. And then right there, it's cracked open. And just like that, we're back to the powder, boys. So that was my fun little snow day experience. Hope you guys enjoyed tagging along for that, watching me almost eat it and getting to see Lindsay for a little bit. But this has been absolutely amazing, and I'm going to leave you guys with this absolutely beautiful shot of a little snow bank. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely amazing. Ooh, wait, there's one more thing I want to show you. Check this out. Straight from the car to the ground. It's amazing. Lindsay, you're back.
Yep. I added more layers.
Yeah?
Yeah, as you can see.
You look cozy.
It's a lot better.
I believe
and
it.
I put on another pair of gloves.
Very nice.
Yeah.
It's looking like Old Man Winter already visited Texas. We don't see this very often. That's beautiful. Check that out. Oh boy. Real fragile stuff, this ice. I don't know. Oh, look at that. That's peeled away from the car. Oh boy, I broke it. Okay. Check this out now. That is absolutely fantastic. Yes, Lindsay Winsy. What you got there?
A weapon.
Magic wand or a shank?
Weapon.
Oh, great.
Ready? I'm so strong.
All right, go. Hey.
Ah!
Oh, good job. Very proud.
Thanks.
The shank to end all
No,
shanks.
this one's a magic wand.
Oh, that's the magic one?
Look how long it is.
I mean, normally we get down to maybe around freezing, but 2021 is the year of the freaking frost, apparently. This is the third time it snowed? Yeah, get that stuck to your tongue. Third time it snowed.
Just this year. It's only February.
Yeah, just this year. And I've lived in Texas basically my whole life, other than when I was a wee Nino and didn't know anything.
There's supposed to be more snow on Wednesday, by the way.
Yeah, but I've lived in Texas for 23, 24 years now, and I've never seen snow, and I've been in college for a bulk of that. Check out that cool tire track. But this is insane that we're getting this level of snow and ice, and I mean, just the temperatures are record breaking right now. I mean, I think what do we get down to? 1 degree?
Yeah.
1 degree freedom? I don't know what that is in Celsius for you guys.
15 though.
Yeah, it feels like -15. It is cold, boys.
Hence why I'm wearing my
It is
little
cold, yeah.
boots.
Lindsay's all bundled up because she can't handle the cold. She's got that thin blood.
Well, only because, you know, they said there might be frostbite when
Oh
you're
yeah,
out.
there's a risk of frostbite if you're not covered up. So my moneymaker here might be losing it soon. But yeah, it has been a crazy couple of days. Everyone's kind of snowed in. People have been driving around a little bit. We had a 100-car pileup just a couple days ago in Fort Worth, which is only like an hour and a half away. That was pretty insane to see. So, oh, a little bird. But yeah, this is, I guess, my Winter Wonderland special video, guys. It's just a short one of us goofing off and having fun. You guys stay warm, stay inside. If you have to go anywhere, please drive slow, drive safe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Until then, stay outside.
Don't stay outside.